Hi friends, I'm Tilak. You're watching Tech Media Unique, and today we're going to see how to create a transparent text effect on your Canva like this. And if you're new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. So how to create the transparent text effect like this? So just going to show in this video. So far, I just go open a new thing, and here just going to change this to a background to a colored background, so you can just choose whatever color you just needed. Then now I'm just going to go to the text, just go to the text here, just add the text here. So here just going to add type as text. So you just go click on the font option. Now here you just need to type as 210. So now it can be changed by using the font. So just go down to the bottom section, and here you can find a font like this. Just click this. So this will change this text to the transparent like this. So this is the way that I just created the text like this. So you can just change the text color if you just need to be a red color or blue color or the black color like this. You can just easily change the text like this. So this is how you just create the transparent font or transparent text effect. Click on this, go to the font and just type as 210 and just select this font, the final font, a 210 black box. So this is how we just created this text effect. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet our next video with a super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Made Be Unique. Have a wonderful and also a beautiful day.